Hello dear people of YouTube, special greetings to all our community. Welcome to this channel where we openly talk about many marketing topics that are rarely mentioned. We are very excited to be here again with a new video. If this is the first time you see one of these videos, please subscribe and give it a like. That motivates us a lot to continue showing everyone better information about digital marketing and online business. On this occasion, we are excited to present to you advantages and disadvantages of using chatbots in e-commerce. Make yourself comfortable and enjoy the video. We assure you that the following information will be very useful if you are in the world of e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or any other online venture. Here we go. The great technological advances are becoming more available to everyone every day, especially in the digital world sector. A clear example is chatbots, where we can frequently find them in e-commerce. Before continuing, let us give you a special mention. This channel is sponsored by Fiverr. Fiverr is the #1 web platform for freelancers in the world. Here, just by putting in the search box, you will have at your disposal hundreds of experts from all over the world in topics such as online store configuration, web page design, editing and video optimization, or the topic you can think of in the service you need. Do you need any service related to artificial intelligence? Such as GPT chat for customer service or content creation based on artificial intelligence? Go to Fiverr. From $5 and up you can find someone to help you with that. We mean it when we say that it is one of the best tools you will ever find. In the description of this video, you will find the link to access Fiverr. Now let's continue. Chatbots are programs that are created to interact with the user. Its main function is to provide information and support through artificial intelligence to the user who visits our website. In this way, they streamline the visitor's session and lighten the customer service department, allowing it to be more effective with requests. This tool has become essential for many online sales websites, but like everything, it has its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of chatbots. Speed. When we contact a customer service worker, they will need their time to answer the queries. In the case of chatbots, the responses will be immediate. Since working with artificial intelligence, you will not have to analyze your response. Personalized experience. A chatbot imitates human behavior, therefore, it will have the ability to adapt to each of the clients. You can respond in a personalized way, depending on your tastes or interests. Full availability. As we have previously mentioned, chatbots act as customer service, but 24 hours a week. E-commerces, which have this tool, work at a disadvantage compared to other websites since they can solve any doubt about buying outside of working hours. Query filtering. Thanks to the chatbots, you will be able to filter all those questions that are more repetitive, and you will be able to solve them with an automated response without having to pass them on to the customer service department. Disadvantages of chatbots. Limited functionality. We cannot pretend to acquire a chatbot and get rid of the customer service department. A chatbot can simply solve repetitive questions to provide support, but in no case can it replace. They can make mistakes. Just like people, chatbots also make mistakes. They are designed to understand the user's question, but there may be cases where you fail to understand the query and answer something completely opposite. Not everyone's cup of tea. There are users who refuse to interact with chatbots, in some cases because they believe it is impersonal, and in others because they do not understand how it works. This type of user is usually of a certain age. The young audience has more skills to interact with artificial intelligence. As you can see, chatbots can be beneficial for your online store, but if we make excessive use of them, they can hinder the purchase process. And that's all for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. We remind you that if you need help configuring a service for your company related to artificial intelligence, such as GPT chat, SEO optimization, or any other matter, on Fiverr you can choose between hundreds of freelancers specialized in tasks with artificial intelligence, or any other service you can think of on Fiverr, you will surely find the solution. We hope this information has been very useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. See you in a next video. See you soon.